Distracted driving claims more than 3,000 lives per year. There are countless videos that attempt to appeal to teenagers' emotions and get them to change their ways. But today, we attempt something new. Instead of trying to appeal to stupid human emotions, today we appeal with science. Today, you will watch three drivers and their experiences with driving. There is Joseph, the man that has it all, a manager's paycheck at Subway and a Ford Focus. There is Ted, a nearby homeless man who, after finding a pack of cigarettes and a bottle of gin, also found a car. There is Patricia, who has a beauty YouTube channel and cares more about her subscribers than lives. All three of these drivers are going the same speed and are driving the same car, but there is one key difference. Patricia is a distracted driver who, while driving, decides to check her YouTube for 8 seconds. Joseph is a very responsible driver who is attentive to the road and is watching for pedestrians. Ted is an intoxicated driver, but does not own a phone, so although he is intoxicated, he is not a distracted driver. First, we will see how Joseph reacts to a pedestrian walking into the middle of the road. Joseph is traveling 7 meters per second and has the average reaction speed of 0.5 seconds. The pedestrian is 20 meters away. Now, let's see what happens. As you can see, our reasonable driver stopped about 10 meters from our pedestrian, more than enough space for us to confirm our walker is safe and sound. Now, let's compare how Ted will do in this same situation. Ted is an intoxicated driver, which means that his reaction speed is about tripled. Instead of taking 0.5 seconds to react, Ted will take 1.5 seconds to react. Everything else, including speed and walker distance, is the same. Let's see what Ted will do. As you can see, even Ted, who is very intoxicated, still stops about 5 meters short of the walker. We are now a bit closer, and this driver is a bit more dangerous than Joseph, but our walker is still unharmed. Patricia is traveling at the same speed, but instead of watching the road, she is texting her friend. These 8 seconds of distracted driving added around 50 meters of distance, around the length of half a football field. This distance is more than enough to kill our walker. Our distracted driver is the only person who kills the walker. This evidence is more than enough to prove just how dangerous texting and driving is. We have all found that even at minimum speeds, the differences between a distracted driver and a responsible driver are massive and costly. It doesn't matter if there is no one in the road or if you think you are going slow. You could still be taking somebody's life.